Hi, I'm Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and on this channel you'll see me play with a lot of older vehicles. As you can see, there's even the back half of the 90s truck there, there's a newer vehicle there, 70s truck, 64 school bus, 67. And on this channel, mostly the next two builds that are coming up here is one, this 1964 school bus, 1964, 1966, whatever, where they be building that out into a camper. Hopefully, that's the goal. We'll see, we'll try, we'll fail, but that's okay, that happens a lot. And on this channel, that's been a long time standing vehicle, is my 1967 Bloodhound, and we're about to take that box off and rebuild this vehicle with, there's a bed back there, into a nice cruiser, retiring it from the old era and bringing it to the next. So there's a lot of failures that are going to be happening on this channel, a lot of successes, but at the end of the day, there's going to be a lot of things happening. Now, things might not go as quickly as I want or you want, as I do this in my spare time, in my evenings, my afternoons, my weekends, every little soulless bliss I get with what money I can after my full-time work as a mechanic. We even get to play with stuff like this. But one thing you should know for sure is the manuals aren't going anywhere soon, as all three vehicles I just showed you are manuals. So let's buckle down and get to work.